Hi, there are a lot of you who responded about the two innovation techniques I had shared recently, provocative orientation or PO technique, and then the reverse brainstorming. Many of you said these are working wonders for many of you, but a few of you wrote to me through several communication channels, and you are mentioning about a very serious concern that you have. You are saying that while you're working for an organization, the organization doesn't seem to have an innovation culture. When Prakash, our team or my boss doesn't allow innovation to happen, or they don't have the mindset of an innovation culture, how do you expect us to be innovative? We are continuously demotivated. Hence, I thought I will share a quick short video, a very specially crafted 4-step process for all HODs or HR heads or business leaders or CEOs or MDs. Make a note of these 4 techniques that I'm going to share. Well proven process which we use in all our consulting assignments, which will help you develop new and great ideas, not just develop ideas and actually convert them into productive ROI, product, services, results, top line and bottom line. It just involves 4 steps, and of course I have a bonus at the end which I will keep it as a secret and share it towards the end. First step is integrate innovation as part of your goal sheets or performance appraisal. Many of you who are MSMEs to mid-cap organization will have some kind of a performance appraisal already in your organization. Ensure that innovation is given some weightage, 5%, 10%, whatever works, and that you communicate it well so that people take innovation seriously, because without innovation, getting out of such turbulent situations as we are currently facing in the market, COVID and post-COVID, is not going to happen. Step number 1, hence, is having innovation as part of your goal sheet or performance appraisal process. Part 2 or step 2 is when you enable a platform for people to come and post their ideas. If you are a very small organization, you can do it through a simple sheet on Cloud Drive. Create a Excel sheet where people can come and post along with their comments. It is just not about posting an idea. You should also tell the people to post it along with an implementation plan, how this idea can be implemented. You can make your own template, whatever works for you. And also, if possible, give an ROI, return on investment, or a cost benefit analysis, CBA as we call. It can also be through an intranet if you are a large organization, where you have your own intranet portal which works for within the organization, where people can go and post the idea along with how the idea can be implemented profitably. This is step number 2. Step number 3 is what I call as getting back to them. It is up to you to ensure that the ideas that have been posted must be processed by a team at the back end, which is responsible to take ownership for the ideas on their own, process them, and find out which are the ideas that can work for your organization, which are the ideas that might not work. Some ideas might work in the long run, some ideas might work in the short run. Ensure that you get back to the people who posted the ideas with 2 points. Point number 1, why this idea will not work. You give certain logical reasons, whatever they may be, so that you close the loop. Second, if the idea is really going to be working for you based on the plan, the ROI that the member has, your team member has suggested, get back to them saying that you have accepted the idea and how you are going to implement the idea and by which timeline. This will ensure that all the cobwebs in the head of the team members who are presenting their ideas are removed proactively. So step number 3 is to close the loop by telling them why you are not accepting an idea, or if you are accepting an idea, how you are going to implement the idea. Step number 4, which is one of the most important, people always tend to ask, even when they are innovating, WIFM, what is in it for me? What do I get by actually participating? You need to, as a boss, as a manager, as a supervisor, as a team leader, owner, MD, CEO, you know the ROI that is going to come out of the effort of the innovation that the person has put in. Recognize them and reward them. Recognition comes through communicating to the internal channels, telling them how this specific idea has been a brilliant one and how the company is going to adapt to this idea. Step number 2, which is more important for the individual, you reward them for the idea that they are given. Go and tell them how much they are going to get. Whatever it may be fair, but give them something. Give them whatever is due based on the return on investment that you expect. So, I have given you 4-step process which works wonders if you start implementing, specifically if you are at the top level where you make the decisions. Step number 1, ensure that it becomes part of the goal sheet or performance appraisal. Step number 2, create a platform for people to go ahead and post their ideas either through a cloud drive or through an intranet platform. Step number 3, you process it and ensure that you get back to them saying why an idea won't work or why an idea is going to work and by which time you are going to implement that idea. Step number 4, reward and recognize. Are you going to follow all these 4 steps? Oh, I am sure you will still be remembering that the bonus that I said I am going to share at the end of this video. If you are watching this video in YouTube channel of See Change Online, you will be finding in the below dialog box 4 great URLs, links to free learning of the highest order. Thanks to the lockdown period, many of the online universities, some of them are offline also, they have started giving many of top-notch courses free of cost. You will find 4 links embedded in the comment box below this video. Go ahead, you enroll, make your team members to enroll. Every day in this lockdown period and post-lockdown period, spend a lot of time in relearning, in unlearning. You will find that these inputs will go a long way in making your organization not just an innovating organization, but a performing organization which will help you to survive, to stabilize and surge ahead. I wish you the very best. Go ahead, make the best out of this learning that you got from this video and from the URLs that you see below this video. Thank you.